We can see the angles are 100 and 120. So that's C, 140 and 120. This means that the cars sold is proportional with these angles too. That's why what I just need to do is to simplify these, and the least common factor is 20, so I divide everywhere by 20, which gives me the ratio of 5 to 7 to 6. Calculate the increases. For Jack, that is 620 minus 500 over 500, which is 120 over 500, and this is equal to 24%. For George, that is 380 minus 320 over 380, and this is equal to 60 over 380, and this is equal to, when I simplify, this is going to be 3, this is going to be 19, 30 over 19, something like 15% or something. This one, third one, is 160 minus 120 over 120, which is 400 over 120. This is equal to 33%. And what I have here is 1060 minus 820 over 820, and this is equal to 240 over 820, and this is equal to, this is going to be 41, this is going to be 12, this is around slightly bigger than 25%, maybe 28% or something. And the last one is 124 minus 100 over 100, which is equal to 24 over 100, which is equal to 24%. As we see, the biggest increase is here, 33%, which comes from Michael. And from the previous question, George's development is the least. There are 800 spectators in the third week, and there was 1000 in the first week. When I divide this to the initial value, this comes out to be minus 200 over 1000, and this is minus 20%, which means that the decrease is equal to 20%. Have the same value, so I just need to calculate it once. The selling price is 400 and we buy it for 200, so the profit ratio is equal to 400 minus 200 over 200, which is equal to 200 over 200, and this is equal to 100%. And olive, as you see, is equal to 7 over 21, which means that for 7 liters of olive oil we need 21 kilograms of olive, or you could say this is equal to 1 over 3 when you simplify by 1 over 7. So 1 over 3 is equal to, what I need to produce is 28 liters of olive oil. So how much olive would I need? This would be equal to 28 times 3, that is equal to 84 kilograms. Percent of the students in the school is female, and the total number is equal to 1200. So the number of female students is equal to 30% of this 1200, which is equal to 360 female students we have. So the number of male students is equal to 1200 minus 360, which is equal to 840. There are 840 male students. What they are asking to me is the difference between male and female students. So what I need to do is to subtract these two figures. 840 minus 360 is equal to 480. Pie chart that we have in our hands. and these are proportional to 2, 4, 6 and 8. And when you look at the sizes of these, let's see if this is proportional. Let's see how much one x, let's call this as x, so it's going to be more proportional. Let's see how much x is equal to 2x plus 8x plus 6x plus 4x is equal to 360. And this is equal to 20x is equal to 360. When I divide each side by 20, x is equal to 18 degrees. They're asking me to find out the angle of Oklahoma, which is proportional to 2. So what I am looking for is equal to 2x, which is equal to 18 times 2, which is equal to 36 degrees. Looking for the right expression. First of all, he asks, the student has read 80 pages during the weekend. During the weekend, he has read 50 plus 70, 20, 70 pages. So A is wrong. Let's go to B. The student has read equal number of pages on Tuesday and Sunday. Tuesday is 40 and Sunday is 50. So B is wrong. The student has read the greatest number of pages on Monday and Friday with 70. This one is right. And let's check the last one too. The student has read the least number of pages on Thursday. This is also wrong because the least number of pages he read on Saturday. Which two age groups have equal amount of internet usage, as we see here? 24 and 26. They're asking me the 23-year age group, which is between 22 and 24. So I have to take the average of this, which is equal to 5 hours for 22 and 4 hours for 24. And dividing it by 2, I have 4.5 hours. The average daily internet usage for all age groups. Here I have 1 plus I have 3 plus I have 2 plus I have 5, then I have 4, and I have another 4. And how many age groups do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I divide this by 6. And this is equal to what I have here is 7, 10, 11, 15, 19 over 6, which is equal to something like 3.16.